Welcome back, everyone. This is Professor Nagma, and the topic which we are going to cover today is under international pricing issues. And this video is continued video. In the previous video, we have completed counter purchase and gray market, and in this video, we're going to complete dumping and transfer pricing. The only 2 points which were left, but that video just got little lengthy, so I'm just continuing over here. And now moving ahead with it, let us understand what is dumping. Now, dumping is a pricing strategy which is used in the international marketing in order to wipe out the competition which they face. So, anyways, in international marketing, you are very well versed with it that there is three-edge competition. So, dumping price is used as a kind of a tool which helps to penetrate into the market. So how does it work? It is also called, so dumping price, so I would say the dumping is a kind of predatory pricing, especially when it comes to the international trade. Now it occurs when manufacturer export or a product to another country to another and a price either or below the price charged in its home country. So in its home country, the price is at the normal range, but when it comes to the other country, where they are exporting it, the price is even less than the cost of production which they have incurred in the process of making that product. So the price is kept so low so that they can wipe out the competition. Now what happens over here is that penetration is done which is beneficial for the exporter, but at the same time for the importer it becomes problem for its domestic goods, for this domestic businessman, domestic goods and products and services. So hence there are difference of opinions whether one should whether dumping is unfair competition, it creates unfair competition. So there are difference of opinion. However, World Trade Organization is into an agreement where a country, wherever a dumping strategies applied, a country or importer country can have some action against the same. And hence you must have heard about there's a trade barrier called as anti-dumping trade barriers into international trade. Whenever a exporter country tries to dump the product with the dumping pricing strategy to wipe up the competition or to penetrate into the market, anti-dumping charges are applied on such products so that it increases the price of the product by the time it reached to your customer. I hope this is clear. This is all about dumping pricing strategy. Moving ahead to the transfer pricing. Now transfer pricing is basically, it happens between, it doesn't it happens within the company. So it refers to the price of which goods are transferred from one subsidiary to the another subsidiary or to the parent company. Now the problem with this is, due to this, the profit of one subsidiary are transferred to another subsidiary, or it is transferred to the parent company. So how does it work? So why one has to transfer it? The transfer, see, there are many reasons actually which affects the transfer pricing. So that can be, for example, one multinational company, per se Coca Cola. One subsidiary is US based and the another subsidiary is France based. Let's consider the tax charges in US is very high. So what they do is they buy the French based company is going to buy the product of their own company from the US so that they can avoid the tax. So this is what is done in this whole process of transfer pricing. I hope this is clear. And that's all for transfer pricing. Thank you so much. Take care.